Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be preparing one of the more unusual products of our range. It is highly popular. I have tried it here a couple of times and thoroughly enjoyed it. So I thought I would show you how easy they are to make at home. That is our gooseneck barnacles. Now, bizarre looking, I know, but once you get preparing them with very few ingredients, you'll see why they are a top seller. These gooseneck barnacles are quite an expensive rarity, chipped off dangerous rocky shorelines and usually next to mussels. Now these come from Spain. They're normally about 7 centimetres long, but they vary. And they are, like I said, quite unusual looking. Really fun for your next dinner party. And what we would just say is the preparation for this is key, because as you can see, you're not going to eat it like this, but they are super easy to cook. So let's get started. So what you might find is just a bit of the rock still left on the gooseneck barnacle. Now, if they are mostly defrosted, which they should be, you might be able to very gently just pull that away. So pop that aside. There shouldn't be many. I think that might have been, I've got a little bit more on this one. You can just tear them away. But be careful, they're a bit squirty. So just be aware. So you want to start by giving them a good rinse under some cold water just to remove any excess sand. So you can see here, this is the feeder. Let me get another, you can see it very, very well here. Look how fun these are. This is a very exciting seafood to be having a bit of fun with at home. Ready? And it just pushes out like that. Okay, so we need some boiling water, and we're going to blanch these for about 1 minute, no more. Pop the lid on. So they are now boiled. You want to have a nice little ice bath ready to transfer them into. So I'm just going to show you nice and close up how to do this. So just make a little incision just there. Just there. Careful, they're a bit squirty. And then you're going to cut up the middle like that. And then you can see all the lovely flesh. And you can actually just almost pull it away like that. Nice and easy. And like so. And the reason why you want to make a little incision is because you don't want to eat the feeder. But they are quite fun just to squish out. Woohoo! So to cook these, you need a knob of butter. Like that. I'm going to add a little bit of chopped garlic, because who doesn't love garlic? So you're going to add a little splash of wine. And then we're going to add a little splash of chicken stock. Oh, the smell is amazing. And finally, the showstopper, our gooseneck barnacles. Give those a nice stir. Now, a lovely herb to go with this is some parsley, some fresh parsley. And here are our lovely gooseneck barnacles. It's so nice with a crusty sourdough to soak up all the lovely juices. The best way to describe it is like a mussel, kind of. I hope you enjoyed, everyone, and I hope you try it at home.